In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can make school presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type PowerPoint. Click on that under the best match. Now here you'll find this option more themes. Click on that, and here you can find education. Click on that. And there are a lot of templates that will appear from here, so it's up to you. It's up for your preference and the style that you want, but let us go with this one, school design. Click on that and click on create. But make sure you are connected to an internet connection because this will not be loaded if you are not connected to an internet connection. Okay, so here you can simply edit this one. So you have this from here. If you want to change this text, if you want to change this one, if you want to change the photo, you can simply do that. You just have to select it. This one, you can simply edit it. Okay, and this one too, it's up to you. You can edit the text, the font size, the font style. It's up to you. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.